Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a brand new facial device for you and it is the ZIIP Dot. This is what it looks like. Some of you may remember that I got the chance to test out ZIIP Halo device last year. I absolutely love it, particularly for helping achieve a bit of a jawline. But anyway, this is a little bit different in that this is specifically for acne prone skins. I have suffered from acne for around 30 odd years, and it's in the last 9-10 years or so that I've been trialing different medications, and it's now under control. So at the moment I don't have any spots. I have two little ones there, but they're going. The type of acne I used to have is cystic, sore, bright red, big lumps under the skin, mainly around my chin and around my forehead and at the sides here, sometimes in my eyebrows as well. This would have been amazing at the time. At the minute it's under control. I've got polycystic ovary syndrome, so yeah, it increases the chances of me having acne anyway. But when ZIIP got in touch with me a little while ago asking if I'd be interested in receiving this, I thought yes, especially as there could be a load of you that are really interested in learning all about this device and see how it works and things like that. So this is not a testing video, although I will demonstrate on my skin how to use it. But this device is going to be kept in my bathroom cabinet. I've got older children with not so great skin, unfortunately, so it's there for them to use. So inside the box you'll find the ZIIP Dot device, the Conductive Clear Gel, a quick start guide, and also the USB charging cable. The design is super sleek. I absolutely love this colour. It comes in 4 different colours. There's yellow, purple, white and grey, and it's small as well, so it's travel friendly, easy to pop in your bag or wherever you're going. So as mentioned, the ZIIP Dot contains microcurrents and nanocurrents. Microcurrents work on reducing bacteria and inflammation on your skin, whereas nanocurrents mimics the skin's natural electrical signals to boost healing and to calm the skin. So microcurrent treats the spots and nanocurrent calms the spots. Together they are clinically proven to reduce acne by 44% within 12 weeks and inflammation by 87%, which is really great. So you pair the device with a conductive gel, and there's 30 ml here. It's full of ingredients like mint, cucumber and aloe. It contains DendricleaR, which I'd never heard of before. It's a trademarked formula used in skincare products to treat acne. It's made from lysine amino acids and it's been clinically proven to treat acne, reduce oiliness and to calm inflammation. It is blended with a sugar complex that is one of the most conductive formulas to use with microcurrent devices. So it helps the electrical currents flow through your skin safely. It's an essential part of the routine. The ZIIP also improves skincare absorption by up to 120%. You've got 2 different modes. You've got a 90-second treatment, which is great for targeting a singular spot, or you've got a 6-minute treatment mode, which is used for more widespread coverage. The benefits of the 90-second treatment is that it's fast acting, it calms and soothes the skin instantly, it reduces redness and evens skin tone, it smooths and softens texture, plus it's a really easy on-the-go treatment to do. The benefits of the 6-minute treatment: clear stubborn acne and spots with consistent use. It calms irritated and inflamed skin after each use. It fades pigmentation, scarring and redness over time. It transforms skin's texture and it supports skin's health long term. For a 90-second treatment, you apply 2 to 3 pumps of the clear gel to the treatment area, single press the power button on, place the electrodes onto your skin, rotate the device clockwise and anti-clockwise on the skin. Make sure that the probe closest to the ZIIP logo is always in contact with the spot you are treating. You will feel a tingle, and this is a sign that it's working. It will automatically turn off once treatment has finished. You have 60 seconds of microcurrent and 30 seconds of nanocurrent. Then you cleanse your face thoroughly and clean your device with a dry cloth. And for the 6-minute treatment, the only difference is that you rotate over your skin in different areas. So basically, microcurrents go straight to work, drawing out the impurities, whereas after the beep, the nanocurrent takes over to work gently to calm redness and repair the skin's barrier. Now with the ZIIP Halo, you had an app and you could follow different treatments. With the ZIIP Dot, you don't need to have the app. It is that simple to use. It's just the 2 modes. As with anything new, there's do's and don'ts. Like they recommend if you recently had injectables to wait at least 10 days before you use the device. It should only be used if you're 18 years and older, not to be used when you're pregnant. There's a full list on their website, which you'll find all the details down below in my description. The cost of the ZIIP Dot is £160 £69.99, and they've given me a code that will entitle you to have 10% off. I'll pop it up on the screen and I'll pop it down in my description as well. As mentioned previously, it comes in 4 different colours, and you've got the option to pay a little extra to have it come in its own little case. It takes 4 hours to charge the battery, and then once fully charged, you've got 2 hours worth of use. If you've just got 1 or 2 spots that you want to use the 90-second treatment mode on, they recommend you doing it 2 to 4 days and then have a break of 2 days and then repeat if you need to. If you've got more widespread area you need to cover by doing the 6-minute treatment mode, use it 3 times a week but give a day rest in between. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything I've missed out or you want to know, then please ask away. I'll pop a link to the website, pop a link to the actual dot so you can have a look on their website as well. So you find all that information down below in my description. But I'd love to know if you've tried it yourself, or if you're interested in trying it. I'd love to hear what you think of it. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.